Hey, so this is kind of an important video. Well, not like life-changing or anything. No sirens are going off yet. Anyway, this one's just me talking about what's next for the documentary. I'm going to be answering some of your stupid comments and explaining what's up with part 2. So yeah, stick around if you care, or don't. Enjoy, I guess. So we have a comment from this dude, ASCT128. He asks, what about Greenville Hurricanes? So about the Greenville Hurricanes. That's a thing that's going to be covered in part 2, so, you probably won't see that for a little while. I will probably disclose more information about this once I get to talking about part 2, but, yeah. This is not really a question, but, OWS Crazy commented, this is when I get mad, so, you write original things to that comment, this is when I get mad, it's deeper than people realize, it's not just about getting angry, it's about that turning point, the shift in energy when patience runs out, and you stop holding back, that moment when you've been. Good morning. Reading this gave me a brain aneurysm. What are you on about? Like, what are you talking about, bro? He might be onto something, maybe. Okay, this guy, he asks, when will the video come out? So, I don't have an exact specified time, but currently it's in the process of just being reworked because, like, all the information in it is just inadequate. Like, it doesn't make any sense. So, basically it's gonna start all over again, so there's no announced date, so you'll see. This one's not a question either, but as you can see, this guy said, I think you could do better than relying on your subscribers and commenters for information. Get this guy out of here. Just boo this guy. Yeah, boo this guy off the stage. He sucks. Okay, so, this is the part you guys have actually been waiting for. My plans for the documentary or whatever. Basically, I'm just going to be redoing the whole thing. Like, not just fixing stuff. I just mean from scratch. It's cooked. My summer's going to be full grind mode. Probably going to lose my sanity halfway through, but that's fine. Anyway, like I showed earlier, I'm covering Addiston, Greenville, Garland, La Crescent, and yes, the infamous Centralia. And if the stars align and I don't get ghosted, we might even get the legendary Crazy Warrior Man, the actual owner, ex-owner, sorry, of the Centralia Hurricane. It's a myth. Alongside that, I got some other stuff planned for different areas too. But you know, I'm not spoiling everything yet. Just gonna be cooked in the best way possible. And if it doesn't come out, I don't know, man. I'll probably disappear like Cardi again.